Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Our today's subject is about operating system and we shall have a brief discussion on CPU scheduling algorithms along with the examples. To begin with, what is CPU scheduling? It is a process which allows one process to use the CPU while the execution of another process is on hold, that is the waiting state. So what is waiting time? It is the time of process which waits to get the CPU. Turnaround time, the time interval from the time of submission of a process to the time of completion. So what are the types of CPU scheduling algorithms? There are four types. One is FCFS, that is first come first serve scheduling. Second one is SJF, which is shortest job first scheduling. Third one, priority scheduling. Fourth one, round robin scheduling. To begin with, first come first serve scheduling. In this scheme, the process that requests the CPU first, it gets the CPU first. So the FCFS algorithm is non-preemptive since once a process gets the CPU until it terminates. What are the advantages of FCFS? It is a simple algorithm and it is suitable for batch systems. It is non-preemptive and it has no interrupts occur. The disadvantage is average waiting time is more. It does not guarantee for a good response time. Third one, it is not suitable for time sharing systems. So in this particular code, we see that the burst time of the processors 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are in the process and whichever process come first, it is been executed first. And here we can see that average wait time and average turnaround time is more. The next one is shortest job first. In shortest job first scheduling, jobs are put into the ready queue as they arrive. But as the process with the shortest burst time arrives, the existing process it is removed from the execution and the shorter job is executed first. So the advantages is SJF can be implemented as both non-preemptive and preemptive. It minimizes the average waiting time of the process and the preference is given to the shorter jobs. The disadvantage here is longer jobs should wait for longer time. Knowing the length of the execution time of the process in advance is difficult. So in this code, we could see that the burst time of the process 0, 1, 2, 3 are in the following ways, whereas the process 3 has a less burst time than process 2. So while it is executing, first it executes process 1, then P0, then P3 and then P2. Here we could see that average waiting time is less, that is 3.75. Whereas in the previous FCFS we could see it was 5.4. So next let us move on to priority scheduling. In this algorithm, a priority is associated with each process and the scheduler selects the process with the highest priority for the execution from the ready queue. Advantages. It supports both preemptive and non-preemptive. It has a very good response time and it supports multitasking. The disadvantages. It leads to the situation in which the low priority process waits indefinitely for high priority process, and the second disadvantage is implementation is difficult. So here when we look through, here the first process has the priority as 2 and the second process has the priority as 1 as it is stated in the question itself. So when it arranges according to the priority wise. That is first, second process is given the highest priority, so first it is executed. Then the first one has given the second priority, then it is executed, and likewise it is executed. All the processes are executed. The next one is round robin scheduling. So it is designed for the time sharing and multi-user systems. Round-robin scheduling algorithms, it divides the CPU time into the time slices and each process in the ready queue is allotted with the time slice. If the process is not completed within the time slice, it is automatically moved to the end of the ready queue and it will be waiting for the next allocation. Advantages. Round-robin supports preemptive scheduling. It is scheduling for time sharing and multi-user systems. The disadvantages here are the average waiting time and the turnaround time here is more, and the implementation of this is tough. So in this particular block of code, we could see that first the processes are executed and it is asking enter the size of the time slice, which is 4. And within this time slice, if the processes are executed, then it will be executed in the row. If it is not executed, then again it will come for the next round of the allocation. Thank you guys. Stay tuned for more such videos. Please do like, share and subscribe.